you are looking for a quick and easy fava bean recipe, this is perfect for you. Today I'm making Sudanese fully using canned beans. Simple, delicious, and ready. Let's start. Let's start. This is called pepper bean, but we call it in a different language. Again, we call it ful in the language I was taught. We soak it in the water at night when it's not fully made, like one in the can, and we leave it for a night to soak. And then in the morning we come and cook it. When it's done cooking, we cut onion and all this herb in a different way, and then we crush it and add salt, oil outside, and eat it like a salad. But this one specifically, I'm making it in a more traditional way, in a more modern way now. Anyone can do it. And what you need is a 2 large onion and then 5 tomatoes. But you don't want 5 tomatoes are too much. You can go with 3 tomatoes. You can cut them and where you can brown your onion fresh. When it's golden brown, you add your tomatoes in it, and you add your garlic to give it that special aroma. You let it cook, you let them simmer a little bit, and then you come later on again and add your beans. But first you're gonna wash this one because it's in the can. You're gonna crack the can open, wash it really nicely, and then add it inside the sauce you crush, and add your spices in there. You want to know the spices I use, go to my description box and you should see it right there. You go to the description in this video, you're gonna find it there, and it will guide you how to make it from scratch there in the description. Whether you're learning in the video exactly like I'm saying, this will be good for you. Just let the tomatoes simmer a little bit so that it can crush easily. If you have that one of the potatoes mashing, you can use it. But you have some other alternative to use or blend. It's up to you what you want to do. But for me, I prefer this one. So it's easy for me to just crush it down and make it more sauce. And this is how it should be. It's more easy, especially when you are busy and working. This pepper beans is very easy and simple because it's already been made and it is in the can and it's more healthy. And now the sauce is ready. Let's crack our beans open and add them in there. It's pepper bean. But first add your left garlic. I did try open this one first, but I couldn't get it open. I already broke that lid to open it. So I let it aside and open the rest of them using the knife and crack it open with that lid. It's more hard to do, so I advise that you have something to grab it there and pull it towards you will be nice. And when I was done cracking them open, I pour them in my other bowl there so I can wash them later. And don't forget about your sauce because it can stick in the bottom of the pan, So make sure that you check on it and crack all the beans open. Wash that one really, really nicely. That's what I can ask you to do. And you feel like adding it like that, it's totally up to you. I will not tell you to do. You like it with the water in it. But for me, I love to wash it because that water has been sitting with the can for God know how long. So all I can do is try to get rid of the water and create my own freshness out of it. But it's good to have it too, especially you are running late or maybe emergency time. This should be perfect. So like when it's done, that's what I get. Like that, now I'm pouring it in and I will be mixing it a little bit and then add more. Add spices I'm going to be using. like I say again, you like the spices, you can go to the comment section, you can go to the description box, and you'll find all the spices I use. I list them there. Yeah, now it's time for spices. And now I just want to remind you guys, if you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. If you are my subscriber, thank you for coming back. You are a new subscriber, welcome to our community. And if you like me to teach you about an easy way to cook and simple recipe, you can join my community. And I have like 2 to 3 people there. I will start giving you guys tips and what you can do when you are running late, maybe not motivated to cook, and you're still hungry, or maybe you don't want to order out on that day. I can give you the tip on what to do, especially when you are tired. That is a chicken cube. I will be adding only one because I didn't list that one in the description box because I feel like it's not necessary. But you like it, you can add it. It's optional. That's why I didn't list it. But it's up to you what you like. You can skip all the spices needed and just use like garlic powder with paprika and black pepper. They can all work together. So when you're done adding the ingredient, you're done adding the spices, you gotta put a bit of water, not a lot. A half a cup will do, or maybe a cup will do. And then stir it a little bit. Leave it to cook for a while. When it's done, come back again and check so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan again. And if you feel like you need more time to cook, you can give it time. But for me, like now, it's ready. So I bring my bread. You can have it with anything you want, but I prefer bread. Bread is much easy to go with. You can just bring it and serve yourself. And it's very delicious, easy to make, and simple to do. Again, this dish is easy, especially if you have one of these pepper beans lining around your pantry. Is a good time, is a high time, or maybe a good time for you to use them because they can make a very good dinner or lunch and breakfast too. They are amazing. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video until now. And what I can say, the food is delicious. Like you can see me showing my hand right there. I was preparing it, so I neglected my hand, my fingers, making the food. I keep washing it, that way you can see my under hand are more white. And this is ready. The food is ready, guys. See. So what I can tell you guys, if you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to support the channel. And I will be happy to see. Yeah, and I will see you in the next video coming up right here. And I appreciate you for supporting this channel. And that's it what we make today. If you feel generous, you can let me know how do you prepare it in your country, or will you make it? See you here in this video.